How to descale a Karcher SC5 steam cleaner. The first step is switching off your Karcher SC5, unplug it from a power outlet, and allow it to cool completely before you begin. Never attempt to descale a hot or pressurized steam cleaner for your safety. And then after that, just go ahead and empty the water tank and boiler, remove or empty the water reservoir, then open the maintenance lock on the boiler. Karcher recommends using the open end of an extension tube to simply drain water from the maintenance lock once it's open. So drain all the water from the steam boiler before adding any decalcification solution. And then prepare your descaling solution using only genuine Karcher descaling products. Prepare the solution according to the instructions on the package. For many SC5 models, Karcher specifies one dose of descales mixed with zero point 0.5 liters of water. Using other descalers incorrectly can cause concentration, which would then damage the appliance. After that, just fill the boiler with the solution. Go ahead and fill it in and then let the solution work. So leave the descaling solution inside the boiler for approximately 8 hours. This allows the solution to dissolve mineral deposits and limescale that have built up inside the boiler. And then just go ahead and drain and rinse the boiler. So after the waiting period, completely drain the descaling solution out of your boiler. Just rinse the boiler with clean cold water 2 or 3 times to remove any descaler residue. Drain all the rinse water before closing the maintenance lock. Repeat the descaling process if heavy limestone scale is still present. After that, just go ahead and reassemble and test the steam cleaner. So close the maintenance lock, securely refill the water tank with fresh water, and switch the machine back on and allow it to heat up completely. And that's it. All right, guys.